I recently tested ChatGPT Image 2 for personal style analysis. At first, it was just experimenting. I uploaded a portrait photo to ask it to create a professional feature report, and honestly, the result surprised me. It analyzed my face shape, facial proportions, hairstyle direction, glasses, outfit ideas, and even color suggestion in a very detailed way. Then I had a thought. What if we turn this idea into a simple web app? Not an app that directly generates images, because image generation can be limited, or sometimes requires a paid plan. Instead, the app helps users create a professional prompt. They upload a photo, choose what they want to analyze, select a language, and the app generates a detailed prompt they can paste into ChatGPT. Simple, useful, beginner-friendly, and free to build. Hello my friends, welcome to TubeBuild channel. I'm Harry. Today, I'm going to show you how I build this AI style analyzer app from just an idea without writing a code by myself. By the end of this video, you will understand the full processes. Turn an idea into an app plan with AI. 2. Generate the app code. 3. Upload it to GitHub. 4. Deploy it on Vercel. 5. Share a real live app with anyone. Let's get started. Part 1. The idea. The idea started with one simple question. Can AI become a personal style advisor? For example, can it look at a photo and give advice about face shape, hairstyle, color palette, outfit style, glasses, accessories, makeup, and a full personal style report? ChatGPT 2 is powerful, but not everyone can generate unlimited images. Some users may need a paid plan, and free users may have daily limits. So instead of building an image generation app, I decided to build something easier and more practical. A prompt generator for personal style analysis. The app does not need a backend. It does not need an API key. It does not charge users. It simply helps people create better prompts. Then users can copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. This is a good approach for beginners because it keeps the app simple, free, and easy to deploy. Part 2. Turning the idea into an app with AI. Now the question is, how do we build it if we don't know how to code? My answer is, use AI as your coding partner. I first used ChatGPT to organize the concept. I asked it to help me create a general prompt folder for different personal style analysis tasks. Then I used Claude Sonnet to turn the idea into a working web app. I described the concept like this. Here I used Chinese because it's my native language, but you can use any language you feel comfortable with. I said, I want to build a web app that helps people analyze their personal style. The user should be able to upload a photo, choose analysis types like face shape, color palette, hairstyle, outfit, glasses, accessories, makeup, and a full style report. Select a language and generate a detailed prompt. Then they can copy into ChatGPT. Please create a clean, mobile-friendly HTML app. That's it. No programming language, no technical words, just a clear description of what I wanted. Claude generated the full code for me. HTML structure, CSS styling, JavaScript logic, upload preview, language options, analysis type buttons, copy to clipboard function, mobile responsive layout. I copied the code into a file called index.html, opened it in my browser, and the first version already worked. Of course, the first version was not perfect, so I continued the conversation with AI. I asked it to improve the design. I asked it to add more analysis types. I asked it to make the app support 3 languages: English, Chinese, and Japanese. Each time, AI updated the code. I tested it in the browser, then I asked for the next improvement. This is the key point. You don't need to know how to code first. You need to know how to clearly describe what you want. AI can help you turn that description into code. Part 3. What the app does. Let me quickly show you the final app. The app has a simple workflow. Step 1. Upload a portrait photo. Step 2. Choose the output language. Right now, the app supports English, Chinese, Japanese. Step 3. Choose what you want to analyze. The app includes options like face shape analysis, personal color palette, hairstyle recommendations, outfit styling advice, glasses selection, accessories suggestions, makeup tips, full comprehensive style report. Step 4. Click Generate Prompt. The app creates a detailed prompt for ChatGPT. Step 5. Copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT with your photo. Then ChatGPT can give you a professional-looking personal style analysis. This means the app itself stays lightweight and free, while ChatGPT does the advanced analysis. That makes the whole project easier for beginners to build and share. Part 4. Uploading the app to GitHub. After the app worked on my computer, the next step was to put it online. First, I uploaded the project to GitHub. If you have never used GitHub before, don't worry. For this kind of simple project, you only need a few steps. Go to github.com and create a free account. Then, click New Repository. Give your project a name, for example, AI Style Analyzer. Make it public and click Create Repository. Then upload your index.html file. You can click Add File, choose Upload Files, and drag your file into GitHub. Write a simple commit message like Initial version, then click the Commit Changes. That's it. Your app code is now stored on GitHub. Why do we use GitHub? Because Vercel can connect directly to GitHub. Once they are connected, every time you update your code on GitHub, Vercel can automatically update your live website. This makes the whole process much easier. Part 5. Deploying the app on Vercel. Now, let's make the app live on the internet. Go to vercel.com. Sign up with your GitHub account. After login, click Next Project. Vercel will show you GitHub repositories. Choose the repository you just created. For the simple HTML app, you usually don't need to change anything. Just click Deploy. Wait a few seconds, and now your app is live. Vercel gives you a public link, something like you can open it on your phone, send it to your friends, or put it in your video description. The app is no longer just a file on your computer. It is now a real website anyone can visit. This is the moment when an idea becomes something real. Part 6. Demo. Now, let's test the app. First, I upload a portrait photo. Next, I choose the language. Let's choose English first. Then I choose an analysis type, for example, hairstyle recommendations. Then I click Generate Prompt. The app gives me a detailed prompt. I copy it, open ChatGPT, upload the same photo, and paste the prompt. Now ChatGPT gives me personalized style advice based on my face shape and features. So one simple app can help users from different languages create better AI style analysis prompts. Part 7. What you can learn from this. The most important lesson is not just this app. The real lesson is the workflow. You can start from a small idea. You can talk to AI in normal language. You can ask AI to write the code. You can test it in your browser. You can upload it to GitHub. You can deploy it with Vercel. And suddenly, your idea becomes a real app on the internet. You don't need to be a professional developer to start. You don't need to understand every line of code at the beginning. You just need to take the first step. Of course, if you keep learning, you will get better at improving the app, fixing problems, and building more advanced projects. But for beginners, this is already a powerful starting point. Part 8. Recap and call to action. So that is the full process from a simple idea to a working web app to a real public website. And the best part is total cost $0. No backend, no API key, no paid hosting required. For beginners, this is a very good way to start building real AI projects. This is why I think AI-assisted development is so exciting. If you have an idea, don't wait until you become an expert. Start small. Describe your idea clearly. Ask AI to help you build the first version. Then improve it step by step. The live app link is in the description. Try it out and tell me what you think in the comments. And I also want to say something important here. This whole process was completed with the help of Monica AI. From organizing the idea, to creating the app plan, to writing and improving the code, to preparing the GitHub and Vercel deployment steps. Monica AI worked with me like a real AI assistant. What I like about Monica AI is that it is simple to use, but very powerful. You can use it to brainstorm ideas, write prompts, generate code, explain technical steps, translate content, improve scripts, and solve problems step by step. For someone like me, it feels like having a coding partner, a writing assistant, and a project helper in one place. Actually, I use Monica AI almost every day now, and for this app, Monica AI helped me turn a simple idea into a real working project. So I really want to say thank you, Monica AI. If you also want to try Monica AI, I will put my referral link and referral code in the video description. You can also find the live app link and all related resources here. So feel free to check the description below and try it out yourself. If you want more tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe and let me know what app should I build next. See you in next one.